I'm very happy with this purchase.
It was super simple.
This was in a completely different league.
These retainers are the cheapest retainers that you can find anywhere, and they're professional orthodontic grade.
I don't even have to leave my house. It's really convenient.
And overall, I'm just really happy with the quality of this mouth guard.
Very satisfied with their product.
I mean, this little mouth guard has really saved me.
They are perfectly snug to my teeth, which is amazing.
Teeth nice and straight, as you can see. I would definitely purchase these again.
They explain everything perfectly clear, and it's great.
I would highly recommend Sporting Smiles.
A good product, and I recommend anyone and everyone to go with Smart and Smile.
By far, Sporting Smiles is the best. Go to sportingsmiles.com, SPORTINGSMILES.com. Please, Sporting Smiles is the best place to get your retainers.